Can't add your email to Roblox on your iPhone? This usually happens because of app glitches, account restrictions, or connectivity issues. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem of adding email to Roblox on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure the email you're trying to add is not already linked to another Roblox account. You are not under 13 years old, and check your internet connection is stable. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Try adding an email from the Roblox website. Open up the Safari app on any browser on your iPhone. Next, go to www.roblox.com. Log in to your account. Then tap on the settings icon from the top right. Next, tap on Settings. Here you will find the email address option. Tap on the pencil icon or the Add Email option next to the email address option. Now try adding your email. Solution 2. Clear Roblox cache. Go to the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Roblox app. If you can't find the Roblox app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Roblox, then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. And after that, tap Reinstall. Update the Roblox app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below. Type Roblox. Now find the Roblox Messenger and tap on it. If you see an update available, then update the app. And there you have it. Hope your issue is solved by now. If this video helped you out, then make sure to give this video a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.